I grew up in a very small town in Mississippi. At age 9, I began being molested by a family member. Nobody really knew how to deal with or handle it. I kept everything so bottled up. So I joined the Air Force, got married, started a family, got 2 beautiful young girls. Left the military, I moved back home. I wanted to be close to my oldest brother. He was my rock, my protector. It was 2003. My brother died in a truck accident. I still remember when the phone rang. I remember the voice on the other end. I remember the words that were said. And I remember falling to the floor. It's an interesting feeling of having your heart ripped out. My way of not dealing with it was work and work and work, and I threw everything I had into it, to the detriment of my family. I wasn't there the day my daughter got out of the hospital. Once it hit me, I crumbled. That was the crack in the dam that broke. I ended up in the hospital for a nervous mental breakdown. I came in as broken as I've ever been in my life. My therapist at the time had recommended Life Learning Center. She described it very well. It was a place for people that needed to restart their life, a new direction, to get back on their feet. I wasn't working. I was recently divorced. I had no daily goal. I had no plan at the moment. I just knew that I needed to be there.
So reaction is not in and of itself a bad thing.
The steps that they teach you, the pillars, the emotional pillar, it helped me deal with the stuff that I had buried deep down, how to understand it, how to express it, how to balance it with everyday life. Piece by piece, week by week, class by class, I was putting my foundation back together. And the people that I worked with here took the time to care and to help, to talk, to guide you. Some of the leadership here at Life Learning Center said, you know, we want you to meet somebody. Going to work at Riverside Performance was the right place at the right time for me. It was exactly what I needed. I get to drive and see the world. I needed a place where I could go to work, do my job, and when I'm home with my family, I am home with my family. I never took time to just spend time with the family, to have fun. I started building that foundation. Piece by piece, I started realizing who I was, what I was capable of, what were my values, what did I actually care about. Once I really took the time to concentrate on myself was when I found myself. I owe all of that to Life Learning Center.